while Indian farmers are protesting. At least one protester was killed and 80 police officers were injured after tens of thousands of farmers, many driving tractors, took to the streets of New Delhi on Tuesday to call for the repeal of continuous new agricultural laws after months of sustained but peaceful demonstration on the city's outskirts. The farmers disrupted the city's nation's Republican Day holiday, clashing with the police, destroying barricades. They stormed the Red Fort, a 400 years old landmark on Wednesday, the day after the farmers had turned to their camps on the city's edge, pledging to continue their protest and return to the city for a march on foot to India's parliament on Monday. Who are the protesters? Many of the protesting farmers are members of the Sikh Religion Ministry, all come from the state of Punjab and Haryana. Farmers in other parts of the country have held rallies in solidarity since November. Thousands of farmers have encamped outside New Delhi, the capital, keeping vigil in spring tent cities and threatening to enter it if farm laws were not replaced. The protest has led virtually in inquiry across much of the country. More than 60% of India's 1.3 billion people still primarily depend on agriculture for the livelihood. Thus, the sector accounts for the only about 15% of the country's economic output. Their leverage has only increased after the coronavirus pandemic badly struck the urban economic and to millions of laborers back to their village. Foreclosures, separate and bankruptcies has been driving farmers to high rates of suicide. What would do the many? The protesters are challenging Prime Minister Narendra Modi over his effort to reshape farming in India. The demonstrators are demanding that Mr. Modi repeal recent farming laws that would minimize the